Good morning. Another day at the layout. Running only the Santa Fe today. Each track is independently ran, so there's three transformers, one for each track. I found that it was easier to put it together, less wiring. So I highly recommend doing it that way. You'll have less headaches. I like the Snaptrack, the Bachmann. The problem sometimes when you put too much ballast in around your trains, the locomotives could pick up that rock, and let's face it, that rock would not be very good on the plastic gears inside the locomotive. So you want to be careful with the ballast on your track, so that you don't get so much in there, and if it's not glued down tight, a possibility. I had one of mine I had to pull rocks and pieces out of, almost burned up the locomotive. So be real careful with the ballast. Everybody have a nice day.